y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wire subs in a Ram 1500. Alright, to get started pulling out the radio, you're going to need to remove this plastic piece, set it to the side, and you're going to need a T15. Alright, so once you got your bit, you're going to want to remove these two screws up top. Once you got these two screws removed, you're just going to want to pull all around the edge on this radio. They're held in by clips. Alright, once you remove this bezel from the radio, you're going to need to remove these 4 screws using a 7mm. Once you've removed those 4 screws, you can go ahead and grab your radio and just once you pulled your radio out, you should be showing your wires. Mine's already done, but I'm going to show you which wires to clip to which one. Now, instead of hard wiring them, about a box of these clips, you just put 2 wires together and clip them together. So I've written a list from which wire goes to which. So I'm going to tell you which color from the line output converter goes to the factory wiring harness. So the yellow wire from the output goes to the factory red wire, that is the power wire. The blue wire goes to a separate blue wire that will run to the amp. So this does not go into the factory wiring harness. The white wire will go into a purple/gray wire, which is the left front speaker positive. The black/gray wire goes into the green/yellow wire, which is for the right front speaker negative. The black wire goes to the black wire, which is the ground. The gray wire goes to the green/purple wire, which is the right front speaker positive. The white/black wire goes to the gray/yellow wire, which is the left front speaker negative. The brown wire on the output converter doesn't go to anything, but I'm going to use it to show you how to use these clips. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a factory wire and you're going to put this clip all the way in there. And the wire from the converter just slips right next to it. Once you get in there nice and snug and you know they're in there together, you'll clamp this down and just close that clip. Now back to this blue wire. This blue wire runs to the amp, and I run it to a fuse in my fuse box. I'll show you that in a second. That blue wire is ran from underneath the radio and runs all the way here. And a split. One section goes to the fuse, and this other section runs back and underneath under this panel, and it runs to this amp. Once you get it back here to the amp, you're going to want to plug it into the remote. Now where that wire is split, I have it ran through the firewall right here, and it runs all the way to this fuse box. Now in this fuse box, I just have it ran to this fuse right here, which is the cigarette lighter. That way, when I turn on the truck, it'll give the amp power. What you do is you just take this fuse out, put the wire in there, and you just press the fuse down on top of it. After you have all that wiring done, you're going to want to wire up the power, and the ground. The power is ran through the firewall and is connected to the positive side of the battery terminal. And the ground, you can hook it up into any bolt that's touching the cab. After you have everything else wired up, you're going to want to take these two wires, plug them into this outputter, run them however you want to underneath, keep it hidden. I have mine running at this panel right here. It goes underneath to the amp, and then you'll just plug them in on this back side. After that, you'll hook in these speaker wires, negative to positive. Once you've got those hooked up, you're ready to put your subs in and hook these up to the subs. Alright guys, once you've got the speaker wire wired into the amp, you're going to take the positive, plug it into the red, take the negative, plug it into the back. You can do the same thing to the other side. Alright guys, once you got everything wired up and everything sounds good, you're just going to put the wires back, push the radio back in. Alright y'all, if y'all made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Our next video is going to be how to install a skylight for the headliner. And we'll have another video on how to install the Tesla radio, but more detailed. That should be coming out end of September, beginning of October. Anyways, thanks for watching.